rings and squares, using which we're gonna make our windmill. So, first we're gonna take some pipes that we're gonna use to make the arms of the windmill. Some more. And let's make the base now. For which I'm gonna take 2 rings. One big and one small. Now, we are gonna join these 2 rings using multiple color pipes. So let's connect these pipes on the smaller ring first, like this. Keep a little gap between the 2, but let's fill the entire ring. You can choose the color of pipes as per you like. I think there's space for more. Let's put one more then. And another one. Now, we're gonna connect this big ring to the other edges of all these pipes on the smaller ring. Let's spread out the pipes first so that we can easily connect it. So we're gonna start pressing the pipes on the bigger ring, one at a time. Like this. We have enough space because we spread the pipes first. Alright. Let's attach the last one. Alright, I guess we can put some more pipes here. There's plenty of space. Now spread out these pipes evenly between the 2 rings. Keep equal distance between them. So now we have the base of the windmill. Let's keep it aside. Alright, so next we take a big orange ring and attach the arms that we kept aside before. Here we have 2 colors. Let's start attaching them to the ring. It's up to you how you put the pattern. You can put 1 sky color and 1 dark blue. I'm gonna put 2 sky blue and then 2 dark blue, like this. Make sure it's connected properly and stays steady. So now, we're gonna attach these small squares on the arms. Let's do one at a time. You can keep the square down and press the pipes on the side of the square like this. We're gonna attach 2 sticks to each square. Similarly, let's do another one on a red color square. Make sure you attach it firmly. And as far as the color is concerned, you can pick any color of your choice. And the last one goes here. Let's spread it out and rearrange them again. Now we need to attach the base of the windmill to the windmill that we made. Let's take the help of the pipes. Let's take 2 pipes The smaller circle will be on the top and the bigger one will be at the bottom. Like this. Now this looks like a proper windmill. Yay! Hello friends! Today we're gonna make a foot. Have the mold that we're gonna use to make the shape of the foot. And here are the colors of clay available to us that we're gonna use. Alright, so in order to make the foot, so let's pick up the mold for the foot. And we're gonna use the beige color clay. So let's cut it into half. And start rolling it with the rolling pin like this. We have to make it broader so that the mold fits in. Let's press it gently. A little more. Alright, let's check if the mold fits in. Yes, it does. Let's pick it up once so that the clay doesn't stick on the tabletop. Now we're gonna place the mold on the clay and press it firmly. Like this. We're gonna remove the extra clay without moving the mold. And now we remove the mold. Let's take the help of the knife to push the clay out. Since we pressed it firmly, the clay sticks to the mold. Alright, it's out now. Let's give it a touch up. And sew the edges. So now let's make the nails, for which I've taken the white color clay. Let's take a chunk. Roll it between the fingers first. And then on the tabletop. And press it a little. And now with the help of the knife, we're gonna make the shape of the nail like this. Let's pick it up and place on the toes. So that fits on the smallest toe. Let's take another chunk. Roll it between the fingers and then on the tabletop. Let's press it. And then with the help of the knife, make the shape of the nail. And place on the second toe, like this. Make sure it sticks. We're gonna take another chunk Roll it on the tabletop. Press it again. Alright, we can roll it again. And then press it. And then cut the shape of the nail. And stick it on the toe. Like this. 2 more to go. Make sure the nails don't come off the toes. Alright, for the remaining 2, let's just take a chunk again, roll it on the tabletop. Press it. And cut out the shape of the nail with the help of the knife. And place it on the toe like this. And now the big thumb. We're going to take a bigger portion of the clay, roll it, and press it a little more, because we need a bigger toenail for the thumb. Cut out the shape of the nail. Alright, and place it on the thumb. Make sure it sticks well. Alright, so our foot is ready! Yay!